Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Guys, I came to Chado to run errands. But the next thing I know, I'm trying loaded fries from Hot Dog Avenue. I just couldn't resist entering. So I just went in and decided to try their loaded fries for the first time. I made my order and couldn't wait to dig in. The moment my table was saved, I just knew things were about to get serious. But I still needed that dance of excitement. I opened it and wow, what an actual beauty. The stars were just aligning in my eyes. No, but take a look at that cheese pool. The kind of pool that makes you pause. Just one bite and my taste buds were doing backflips. It had the perfect amount of spice. And the flavor was so loud that it almost called my ex back. Chicken chunks, beef strips, and some sausages are the proteins in this beauty. Just 140 cedis and you will leave obsessed.